Hello, gorgeous ladies and gentlemen of the realm. FaeryVixen here, back again with another video. We're going to do a quick one. I tried once before. I don't know if it's going to work. I'm going to be mad if it doesn't. Ooh, what did I get on me? Yellow. Yellow, yellow. Must be acid from testing. Here's a little angel puppy. That was from Alyssa to... No. It was from Alyssa, or to Alyssa from Cassandra. Seasonal lapel pin. It's not a lapel pin, is it? Oh yeah, look, it's a stick pin. Big giant one. Mistletoe angel dog. Nothing's better, not one thing, than doggy kisses on the wing. Aw, cute little angel puppy. Okay. And we have a little pair of World Market, what you call it, crescent moon earrings, and then another, looks like a napkin ring. Does anybody ever really use these? Okay, maybe at holiday time, but like on a daily basis, I don't think so, unless, you know, like, well, that's out of my socio-economic reach. Anyway, here are some cherry quartz, I think. Yeah, cherry quartz. One of them. I'll be dismantling that for sure. There's an awful lot of Fire Mountain Gem stuff in here. These are little copper butterflies. Cute. Here's a pin. Little rosebud still in the package. How about Oakland Raiders? And icing, black and blue. Still on the taggy tag. Pink and red and silver tone. Woven with little bars. That's different. This is some more of those weird leaves with that weird finish on them. Ooh, ebony and ivory. No, maybe it is ebony and ivory. Who knows? It looks like bone though. Bone and ebony, or blackwood and bone. Yeah, this doesn't have trigger lines in it. It's bone. It's bone. Bone, bone, bone. There's a green, pretty green, with the wiggly beads. Cute. One of these. Another one of these. One of these guys. And what else have we got? This is I'm hoping this takes, because I don't really want to have to do it again. Look, it has a snap. Snappy, snappy. And it's got gold seed beads and mint, lovely mint green paper beads. Very high shine on them. Those are nice ones. Those are nice. Those are nice. This is broke. This is broke. Whoop. Also got something wrapped up in it. This here bit is wrapped up in it. Come on, get out of there. You know you want. What the? Jesus. There we go. The little plastic beads, they were all done up in there. Let's see. This is very big and chunky hunks of shell. And it broke. It It came off of this here wire bit. It slipped off of the where the split is in these guys. So that will probably go into the craft lot. Here's some leather and little dots with a shell or coconut shell button closure. And a little flower. And what do we got here? This one is broken. This came off of I don't know. It goes together somehow, but it will go into crafting probably. Here's a pretty little, not little, it's quite large actually, swirly glass, and it's on one of these, black. I would have put it on a nice blue one, a pretty light sky blue one, but it's on a black one. I'll probably take that off of there. Probably. Here's a handful of stuff. And there's a cute one of those. Beads wrapped around this little cuff bracelet. I tested it. It's not sterling. It's a copper with silver tone. And of course, oh look, a little mermaidy looking necklace. Very nice. Don't remember what this rock is called, or if it is a rock. It might be glass. I keep wanting to say calcite, but I'm not sure. Whoop, that goes back in there. This is a really pretty little tangled mess. Yikes. Oh, okay, here's an earring that we've seen before. Always nice to catch the second half of a pair of earrings. Then we have... Stop it! This says best on one end. Best. I'm thinking it probably says friend on the other side. Or on another piece. I can't seem to get this to come back over the end. So, I don't know. You don't know. Here's a hemalike, faux hematite with silver tube beads, curved ones, very nice. This is a Stella and Dot with a nice long chain. I don't really like the medallion much, but I do like the chain. Too bad it has a name on it, or I'd snitch it for something. I have a couple things upstairs that need nice chains. Plastic with a little heart. White leather and Guatemalan fabric. Bite me. And sparkles. That's funny. Here's a plastic Jesus on a plastic cross with plastic beads. They're the ones the missionaries give out, I think. Here's some glass, really pretty glass. I like that. Very nice. They're little light bracelets, but they're really pretty. Here's some pretty blue. Shades of blue. Oh boy, this is hangly. There we go. There's some Lauren Conrad with some rhinestones. Very pretty. All there. Oh, look, little oak leaves. Those are nice. We're about halfway through. We're going to see if we're going to make it all the way. Oh, look, a red heart. Isn't that pretty? Too bad it's on one of these. This is the same stuff my mom's necklace was on. Don't like this, though. Nice glass heart, though. Mother. Here we go. Here's another one on a cord. Just looks like it's tied in a knot, and it's got stone beads and they look like trade beads. And it's got a piece of mother of pearl, or not mother of pearl, yeah, baloney. Yeah, baloney. Here's a little yinny yangy. There's a cute little rice pearl guy. Let's see, do we have a way? Oh, this looks like it got glued to the, oh wait, there we go. Little tiny pearl choker. Choker. This is a hand-done one with pearls and gold facets and silver tone rondelles and these guys. Ooh, that's beautiful. I like the combination of things in this necklace. It doesn't need any fixing or any redoing or anything. Here's a hoop. Hoop, 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 hoop. Hoop-de-doo. Here is a dot dash necklace that may or may not have had something upon it with a hook closure. Interesting. Here's another earring we've seen. This one, not that one. Get off. Oh, come on. Criminy. What do you have there? This one. Seen that one before. Got it in the other room. These are cool. Oh, these are really cool. I don't know. Oh, they're gorgeous. What are you? Are you anything important? No. Copper. Silver-plated copper, but got some little rhinestones and a little, looks like it's almost got peridot in there. Hold on. Let me look. I can't tell. I think it might be glass, but those are nice little lever backs. It's an interesting design. That is clay. Polymer clay. Very lightweight. There's another hoop. I got a whole bunch of hoops. So many hoops. I don't know what to do with all the hoops. I have a big old box of them, and none of them are matched, and they're from like the beginning of when I started doing doing jewelry, because The ones that jumped out at me and were obviously a match I put together, and there were so many other ones that weren't obvious. What the heck? Come on, get out of there. There we go. That is a little hematite. See, this is very heavy for its size, so I'm going to say hematite. Very nice, with green thread. And this is a blessing. Our Lady of Mount Carmel. Whosoever dies wearing this scapular shall not suffer eternal fire. Oh, dude, Our Lady's scapular promise. So it's a get out of hell free card? Is that what that is? I mean to carry that in my pocket. I don't mean to make fun, but it sure sounds like a get out of hell card. A get out of hell free card. Wow, that's crazy. I didn't know there was such a thing. There you go. I'm assuming you have to do some things before you get one of those. How many Hail Marys and genuflections and whatnot before you've earned it. Oh, that's pretty. Little black pendant with, ooh, I like it. If it didn't have that clasp on it, I would think it was an older one. Cute! I'm sitting on my foot. Here's a little her pin. Bobby pin with a little decorative piece upon it. Here's some string. String, don't need a string. Here's a feather on a necklace. Let's see what else we got. Oh, this is nice. Yep. It's a pretty leaf, and it's got a bunch of these little beads, and you can push the beads down to here. Very nice. And here's who are you? It says Greece. Very nice Greek necklace. I like that. It's a souvenir piece, it looks like. Oh, and she was a blonde. Okay. Alex and Ani style bracelet with a shell, a starfish, and a little blue thingy. This is a broken chain. Yep, broken chain. What? Oh, it's a cross and a lock and something's missing. Darn it. Here's another beach type necklace. It's a little crescent moon. Very nice. Back in the 70s, a lot of this stuff was sterling. But that's not. Tisn't. Tisn't. Alright. Get out of here. Let go my ego. This one will pull you out of there. And pull you out of there. And this is a really long, teeny tiny ball chain. And it's got a little medallion, a feather, a blue plastic bead, and a feather. That's another nice chain I might want to steal for something else. This is a little bracelet with 3 beads. Very simple. Simple. This is a nice one. It's a tiny little choker with this back and forth chain. I'm familiar with that kind of chain, but yeah. Never was a fan, really. Ooh, look at this one. This is a nice note to end on. Here's Shades of Summertime. Beautiful shells. I would like to thank you for being here. Please leave a thumbs up, like, leave a comment in the down there. And if you see something you can't live without, please do leave a timestamp in the comments below with the timestamp of the item that you would like. You could also send that information to my email, which is in my description, but I will also need the title of the video and the date that it was posted so that I know where to find your item. Also, if you haven't bought from me before, please do include your YouTube name, your real name, your address, and your PayPal email so that I can invoice you and get your package sent out to you. I would like to thank you all for being here. I would also like to remind you that I will be... Oh, no, that's already over. Time travel. Thank you for coming to the auction tonight if you were there. If you weren't, I'm so sorry that you missed it. And you can catch me again one more time, twice more in their auction this month. I'm not sure what the dates are. I'm sorry, I didn't look before I started my video. So, remember that I love each and every one of you, and be yourself. Because everyone else is taken. Bye-bye.